I'm out here with Laura. What's up, Laura? Look at here. And we're going to play hashtag Connect4Charity.
Right.
Hey everybody, the Kinny and Landrum with Laura. We're here with Laura at Comfort Suite. So, as in fashion of me being in your house, we're going to let you go first in this hashtag Connect4Charity.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hashtag drop the checker.
I have been strategizing.
Have you been strategizing?
I have been thinking about this for the last week.
Okay, you know there's a game called 4 in a Row on iPhone, and I've been practicing on there too. I kind of send random games to people. So we're playing for the historic rail park on April 16th at Trent Bedding.
Right.
Why did Comfort Suites decide to get involved with this?
Well, since we're so new to the community, we really just want to be getting involved anywhere we can, and we've gotten to know the ladies over at the depot, and we just thought it would be something we could do. I wanted to get involved with you.
Hashtag save the depot, guys.
Save the depot.
Yeah.
You're not getting me either.
Oh, well, as in fashion, you know, I'm always talking. And let me tell you, the reason I'm talking is because honestly, I'm trying to distract you.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Oh, I've picked up on
It's
that.
called distract. Park and Train Museum right here in Boulder.
Absolutely.
So I'm excited to see you come out on the
excited.
16th.
Thank
And
you
thanks
so
for playing this morning. Look at
Thank
here, guys. Nobody won. But the historic rail park and Train Museum right here in Bowling Green will win. Hashtag what? Save the depot.